Myra here and welcome back to another video. For today, I'm gonna show you how I did this look using the Jupiter palette by Beauty Glazed. If you want to know how I did this look, keep on watching. I already had my base done and I used this Focal Your Skin Evolution in the shade 02. Ayan. And then now, I'm just gonna put on concealer. Again, yung Focal Your na 02. And I'm gonna set my face with this Eyeshadow Final Powder in the shade Ivory Glow. Then for my kilay, I will be using this Maybelline Fashion Brow, yung dark brown na shade. Okay na yung brows, proceed na tayo sa eyes. So, this is the palette that I'm using right now, yung Jupiter palette. And then, the first shade that I'm going to take is this one right here, yung light pink na shade. Very blendable. So, using my fingers, I'm gonna take this frosty light pink shade right here. Itong shimmer shade nito. And then I'm gonna put it on my lids. Wow, look at that. Very icy yung color. Wow. Ooh, blow. You know what? Parang gusto kong gamitin tong pink na to sa gitna. So, let's give that a try. So, etong light na shade sa inner corner. And then, lalagyan ko ng there. Mas pink sa may gitna. And I'm taking a small fluffy brush and I'll get this color, yung parang magenta, parang ganyan. This one. And I will put that on my outer corner. Taking a small smudger brush and I'll take this deep plum color and I'll use that to deepen my outer V. Then with the smudger brush, I'm going to get this color right here, yung ginamit natin sa outer corner, and then ilalagay ko siya sa lower lash line. Then with a tiny pencil brush, balikan ko yung icy pink na color dun sa palette. And then, ilalagay ko siya sa inner corner, dito sa my inner tear duct. Then, maglalagay lang ako ng liner and falsies and I will be back. Okay, eyes are done. Punta na tayo at tapusin na natin yung face. I'll start off with the contour. I'll be using the Aura contour in the shade For Sure. Okay, for the blush, I'll be using this pink blush right here by Myra Cheek Maker. Next, for the highlight, I will be using Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Rose Gold. Finally, for my lips, I'll be using this Happy Skin Shut Up and Kiss Me in the shade Strike a Pose. This is the look that we have created today. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. You may also follow me on my other social media accounts. I'm Myra Paneda on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye! No.